The Roblox timed out error. 1. Basic restart. Close Roblox completely. Don't just minimize it. Restart your computer. This can clear temporary glitches. 2. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try using another device to confirm if it's an internet issue. Restart your router, modem. Sometimes a quick reset can resolve connection problems. 3. Update Roblox. Open the Roblox app. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Check for updates. Install any available updates. 4. Flush DNS. Open command prompt. Search for CMD in the start menu. Type ipconfig, flush DNS and press enter. This clears your DNS cache, which might help. 5. Temporarily disable firewall, antivirus. Security software can sometimes interfere with online games. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus. Be sure to re-enable them afterwards. 6. Check Roblox status. Visit the Roblox status page, linked to status.roblox.com. See if there are any reported outages or issues. Additional tips. Reinstall Roblox. If none of the above work, consider reinstalling the Roblox app. Check for background applications. Close any unnecessary programs that might be consuming bandwidth. If the problem persists, consider reporting the issue to Roblox support, linked to en.help.roblox.com.